Your office building or condo complex is a huge asset, and that asset needs the best protection available. So don't take chances when it comes to choosing a roofing contractor. Trust Roofing Concepts Unlimited and Roof Doctors. RCU for all your new roofing needs, and Roof Doctors for maintenance and service. These family-owned roofing companies have called South Florida home for more than 30 years. RCU and Roof Doctors provide the highest quality material and experienced in-house workforce, no subcontractors, and state-of-the-art technology. When you put your trust in Roofing Concepts Unlimited and Roof Doctors, your building becomes their building, and they take that responsibility seriously. They'll finish on time and on budget and won't rest until you are completely satisfied. Customer satisfaction is the goal of every project at RCU and Roof Doctors, and their 5 pillars of excellence serve as the guidepost to ensure it. Great service, skilled experts, community involvement, stability, and growth. That's the RCU way. For a free inspection, survey, or estimate, call today. Roofing Concepts Unlimited and Roof Doctors, at the top of the roofing profession.